Every day, the surface of your car is ruthlessly attacked by UV rays, dust and pollutants, rain, and scratch and swirls. This makes your car look dull and unsightly. Presenting 3M Surface Refinement Treatment, which protects your car's exteriors and restores shine. This proven treatment is performed by experts, using a range of highly effective 3M products. This advanced treatment protects and corrects damage, while polishing your car's exterior to a brilliant shine. Protect your car today with the new Surface Refinement from 3M Car Care. Talk to your service advisor to know more.